Hello, my name is Philip, and in this video I will demonstrate how to deploy business rules on OpenShift using s2i deployment method and using the Red Hat Decision Manager execution server. For this demo I will use the ArrayGem 7.0 s2i template that's basically build a kjar and deployed it on OpenShift. Application templates are basically a set of objects for creation by OpenShift. If you have any other questions about what are the templates and how it works, just take a quick look in this link. For now, I will just copy this template and import it on OpenShift. To do this, go to Add to Project and import YAML or JSON file. In this screen, the OpenShift is asking us if you want to just process the template or if you also want to save it for use later. For this demo, let's just process the template. As peer as the processing of the template, it will show us all the configurations available in the template. Uh, this template is ready to go, and all the configurations needed for it to work are already set. We can take a look on all of those parameters for a better understand about each one does. Let's just create the pod. Okay, here is a little description about the pod that we just created. The parameters that was applied, and here is the credentials to access the Red Hat execution server using the REST interface. Okay, by now the s2i build is running. It should take a few minutes. I will pause the recording here and I'll be back when it gets. Alright, the build is finished and now we have the execution server running. Let's check if the execution server is really running. Let's access this address, and to access the REST endpoint of the execution server, we can type the URI services.rest.server. It should require credentials. If you don't remember that, don't worry. You can get here from the OpenShift console, open the pod, and go to the environment definitions and look for the key server password and key server username. The key server username is the default one, is execution user, and the password is auto generated if we do not configure it. Okay, let's type execution user and type the password. Okay, so the server is up and running, and here's a couple of its configuration, the execution server version, and if you also wanted to check the key containers that are running, we can just type the containers in the URL. We can check that we have the only one container running, and that is the artifact that is running in this key container. To access this key container, we can execute it even through the command line using a cure request. This cure request is basically sending a payload to the key container to fire the rule that's running there, and let's execute it and see what happens. Okay, we have an authorized issue. Okay, that's because my password is not correct. Let's update this. Okay, and let's try again. Alright, and here you can see the response from the key container. It just returned hello and the name that I passed as parameter to the business rule. Let's take a look in the payload. payload.xml. It is a basic payload that only sets a object of the kind person and set its name to Duke. Let's update the name and execute it again. Let's use my name, Philippe Spode. Let's save it and execute it again. Okay, and here we have hello Philippe Spode. Okay, this is the basic functionality of the execution server, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.